Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Orzel M7 electric dirt bike. I've looked through the product specifications, user impressions, and what people across the internet are saying to help you decide whether this electric dirt bike is actually worth buying. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. If you're searching for an electric dirt bike that delivers serious off-road performance without stepping into the ultra-premium price range, the Orzel M7 is definitely worth considering. With a powerful mid-drive motor, aggressive suspension, and rugged construction, it's designed for riders who want speed, climbing ability, and trail capability rather than just casual commuting. The headline feature is the 5,000-watt peak mid-drive motor. Producing an impressive 200 Newton-meters of torque, it provides rapid acceleration and enough power to tackle steep hills claimed to be as much as 65 degrees. Whether you're riding dirt trails, forest paths, or rough terrain, the M7 has the muscle to keep pushing forward. With a claimed top speed of up to 45 miles per hour, this is one of the more performance-focused electric dirt bikes in its class. Power comes from a large 60V27 all-lithium battery. That high-capacity pack is built for longer trail sessions, reducing range anxiety during weekend adventures. Charging takes approximately 5.5 hours, allowing you to recharge overnight and be ready for another day of riding. Actual range will vary depending on rider weight, terrain, riding mode, and speed, but the battery capacity is certainly one of the bike's strengths. The suspension setup is another highlight. Up front, you get a long travel inverted fork, while the rear features a hydraulic shock with adjustable damping. Together they absorb rocks, roots, jumps, and uneven terrain much better than basic suspension systems. The result is a smoother, more controlled ride whether you're exploring trails or riding over rough ground. Traction is equally important off-road, and the Orzel M7 delivers with aggressive 17-inch front and 14-inch rear knobby tires. Combined with the reinforced chain drive system, these tires provide excellent grip in dirt, mud, loose gravel, and uneven surfaces, giving riders more confidence when cornering or climbing steep sections. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Hydraulic piston disc brakes provide strong stopping power and better modulation than mechanical brakes, helping maintain control during fast descents or emergency stops. An added safety feature is the magnetic emergency cutoff switch, which immediately cuts motor power if the rider falls or becomes separated from the bike, offering additional peace of mind during aggressive riding. There are a few things to consider before buying. At 45 miles per hour, this is a high-performance machine that requires proper protective riding gear and responsible operation. Depending on where you live, it may not be legal for use on public roads without registration or other requirements, so it's important to check your local regulations. Also, riders looking for a lightweight casual e-bike may find the M7 larger and more specialized than necessary. So should you buy it? If your goal is serious off-road riding with strong acceleration, impressive hill climbing ability, quality suspension, and a large battery for extended adventures, then yes, the Orzel M7 is an excellent choice. It combines performance, durability, and modern safety features into a package that's built for riders who enjoy challenging terrain. However, if you mainly plan to ride around town or on paved bike paths, a traditional commuter e-bike will likely be a better fit. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped you decide whether the Orzel M7 electric dirt bike is the right choice for your next adventure. If you want to check the latest price, click the link below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.